A Force Gurkha 5-door almost resembles to a 1 BHK studio apartment. Gets these new full LED headlamps with those signature LED pattern which I seem to like, and this huge air intake snorkel. Let's just pan sideways and move to the rear section of the car. Now it has been significantly raised. The earlier ground clearance was 205 mm, which now sits at 233 mm, with a new front suspension for better gradability and approach angle. The overall dimensions on this car is definitely colossal. These are the new R18 wheels which were a set of R16s previously. This is the robust front bumper and the sum guard for the underbody protection. Chunky indicators in the bonnet top definitely remind you of the G-Wagon. Let's just hop into the front row, and there's definitely a lot of hard plastic, below average fit and finish utility area in the dashboard design. This is the front and rear differential lock system which you have to wrestle with, and the on-the-fly rotary knob for the high and low elevation settings. Well, it is of course a manual transmission and offers 700 mm of water weighability, which is claimed to be the best in its segment by Force. Well, the overall monstrous dimensions of it, if you see one in the mirror, you would definitely want to get out of its way immediately. Well, it is essentially a purpose-built and off-roader's off-roader. As I mentioned earlier, there is the Gurkha badging with the machete. Now, we did try to put it to the test on a nearby low-lying area so as to check for the capability on offer, and tell you what, it didn't disappoint at all. There was this little uphill ascent to get it back on the road, which was almost 20 to 22 degrees of approach angle. It was absolutely no problem for the Gurkha, considering it can comfortably do a 39-degree approach angle. We simply shifted it into the H4, raised its elevation, and mind you, we didn't use the differential locking system on this one, and it was as if a walk in the park for the Desi G-Wagon.